In today's free tutorial, we will show you how to download free stock videos or video clips completely for free. If you like what you see, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Okay, so the first step in getting free images and videos or stock images and videos is type this on the screen, pexels.com. And once the website has opened up and loaded, basically as you see here on the website, if we scroll up and scroll down, you want to click right here and then type in whatever it is you want to search on Pexels for a free image or video. And then in this case, once you're happy or satisfied, click the search icon. And as you can currently see here, we have images to the top left hand screen. We even have a video option, and we have a bunch of different images and videos, and again, it's all for free. So check this out. Here's the video tab, and we have transparent video. I'm actually going to click this. I like this, and personally, if you go to the top right hand screen, you can currently see we have download, and then we have different download options or formats for the file. And then now we're going to wait for this to download. Okay, so now we're going to drag it in Adobe Premiere Pro, as you can see, and then I'm going to drag it on the video timeline like so. And then now we have our free video or picture that we got, stock video, stock photo from Pexels, as you can see right here. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.